In 1983, the members of the Vogs Housewives Association founded a traditional handicrafts outlet they called Heimavirkið. The goal was to create an outlet where they could collectively market the handicrafts they created at home. In the beginning, most of the products were woolen wear and finely worked accessories to the traditional Faroese costume. But over the years, the members began to produce a wide variety of handicrafts. And now the outlet welcomes quality homemade items from one and all. Products can either be sold directly to the outlet or left on consignment. In 1983, the association elected to also offer items generally found in an apothecary and later undertook to offer books and office supplies as well. All the profit of the outlet is used to support the community activities of the Vogs Housewives Association.